Congratulations on your purchase of Draper FlexShade Zip Exterior Shades. This video will cover bracket installation for FlexShade Zip products. First, we will demonstrate wall-mounted brackets. Click the timestamp in the description to jump to ceiling-mounted bracket installation. To begin, set up a horizontal string line. This string line will ensure levelness between brackets and is crucial for detecting any bow or belly in the header. Using the supplied wall mount brackets, determine your mounting position. You'll need to inset the bracket from the end of the head box to allow clearance for the side channels. The inset should be a minimum of 2 inches and a maximum of 6. The bracket itself can be used as a spacing guide by aligning one edge of the bracket with the outside of the head box location. Then mark the opposite edge. Relocate the bracket to this new position to ensure the appropriate inset from the end of the head box. Next, align the bottom of the bracket as closely as possible to the level of the string line. Use one of the vertical slots in the bracket and insert a fastener into the center of the slot. Tighten the fastener just enough to hold the bracket in place while still allowing for slight adjustments. Now back out the set screws on the bottom of the bracket. Make sure no threads are sticking up, as this will allow the torpedo level to rest flat on the bottom flange. Rotate the bracket carefully until it's perfectly level. Once you're satisfied, tighten the fastener in the vertical slot to lock the bracket in place. Next, drive a fastener into the bottom center hole. Ensure the fastener is centered and that the head is flush with the face of the bracket. Now carefully drive fasteners into the top 2 corner holes. As with the center fastener, ensure that the heads remain flush with the bracket's face. After securing the bracket, remove the fastener from the slotted hole. This fastener cannot remain in place, as its head will interfere with the head box engagement. Remember, it's mandatory to use at least 3 fasteners per bracket, preferably in the top 2 corners and the bottom center. Next, we're going to walk you through the precise steps for mounting ceiling brackets. Let's get started. First, position the ceiling brackets. Leave a minimum space of approximately 2 inches from the end of the head box to the vertical edge of the bracket to allow clearance for the side channels. This spacing is crucial to allow proper side channel engagement to the head box. Now install the first fastener. Align the bracket and secure it with a fastener in one of the slots. This method will give you the flexibility to adjust and keep all brackets perfectly aligned across the opening. Before proceeding, back down the set screws. Make sure there are no fastener threads sticking up. Similar to the wall mount brackets, this step is essential for resting your torpedo level on the bottom flange. Using the torpedo level, verify that the bracket is perfectly level and plumb. If it's not, you may need to shim the foot of the bracket, the part mounted to the underside of the structure, to achieve the correct level and plumb alignment. Next, carefully drive the fastener straight in, ensuring that the heads remain fully flush with the bracket. After securing the first 3 fasteners, back out the fastener used for plane adjustment. Then drive it into the last hole to finalize the installation. Install all 4 fasteners in the bracket configuration. You can now proceed to mounting the head box. Click the thumbnail to view video instructions for this step, or if you need additional support, please contact Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.